Meaning of guano.
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 Guano. Guano refers to the excrement of seabirds and bats, which accumulates over long periods of time and deposits on islands and caves. This organic material is rich in nutrients and has been historically used as a highly valued fertilizer due to its high nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium content. The ancient Incas extracted guano from the Peruvian coast and traded it widely across South America. Guano mining also played a pivotal role in shaping the history and economy of several countries such as Peru, Chile, and the United States during the 19th century.